Marching along in Brambaroo, clear the way, for we're coming through. Fae Cork City to County Down, we're the boys in green who serve the crown. Our cobbings are shaped and our heckles high, red, blue and green are the colours we fly. Fusiliers, rifles and rangers too, clear the way, for we're coming through. All o'er the world we hae showed our fighting ways, and here at hame through its darkest days. And a skilling to India, Iraq and Afghan, where nae others can make it, the Royal Irish can. The Emperor he feared us, and the Hitler boy too, clear the way, for we're coming through. Napoleon's eagle we did take, wiped the smile right off his bake. Aye, mony a foe we did fight, we even set the White House alight. The Shamrock is ours and Paddy's Day too, clear the way, for we're coming through. In Flanders fields we paid our greatest price, courage, honour and sacrifice. In the glory of the Somme as the shells did wheel, and the poisonous stoik of Passchendaele. Aye, the list goes on of our service so loyal, frae the River Nile to the banks of the Foyle. Faugh of Ballagh we're coming through, marching along to Killaloo.